सर आप खुद को जरा म्यूट करें सर, आपकी आवाज अभी नहीं आ रही। सर इफ्तिखार साहब आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, तो काइंडली आप अपने माइक को अनम्यूट करें।
पर ये तो ब्लर है।
Hello, sir.
Pharmacology, it is a Greek word. Pharmakon. Pharmakon means drug. And ology means action. It is the branch of basic medical science in which we study about the drug action called as pharmacology. It can be defined as it is the branch of basic medical science in which we study about the drug action. It's called as pharmacology. It is a Greek word pharmakon. Pharmakon means drug and logy means action. It is the branch of basic medical science in which we study about the drug action. It's called as pharmacology. दूसरा definition हम इस तरह कर सकते हैं. It is the branch of basic medical science in which we study about the administration of drug, absorption of drug, distribution of drug, metabolism, excretion, clinical uses, side effects, contraindication, and those drug-drug interaction, drug-food interaction, those of the drug is called as pharmacology. Pharmacology, in a broad sense, we can define as administration of drug, absorption of drug, distribution of drug, metabolism, excretion, and clinical uses, side effects, drug-drug interaction, drug-food interaction, and dose of the drug. Administration of drug. Different routes are available. टॉपिकल रूट है हमारे पास, पेरेंटल रूट है, ओरल रूट है, और भी हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल से. और इसके बाद जो है ना अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ ड्रग. अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ ड्रग मींस इट कैन बी डिफाइंड इन अब्जॉर्प्शन को हम इस तरह डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, द ट्रांसफर ऑफ ड्रग फ्रॉम द साइट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन टू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम. अब्जॉर्प्शन को हम इस तरह डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, the transfer of drug from site of administration to the blood stream. It's called as absorption. Transfer of drug from the site of administration to the blood stream is called as absorption. The process of absorption is complete when the drug is given by intravenous route. जब हम intravenous route drug administer करते हैं तो उसकी bioavailability जो है ना वो 100% bioavailable होता है. It will be 100% bioavailable. When it is administered through IV route, through intravenous route, it will be more bioavailable, 100% bioavailable. Next, जो है distribution of drug. After absorption, the drug does not remain in the plasma. It distributes itself to the plasma and enter into the different tissue. After absorption, the drug will be distributed. It will be distributed to the plasma and enter into the different tissue. It will distribute to the plasma and enter into the different tissue.
सर व्हाइट बोर्ड ब्लर है.
Next जो है metabolism. Metabolism can be defined as the change of chemical structure of drug from one form to another form. Metabolism can be defined as change of chemical structure from one form to another form. When it is ready for excretion, it is called as metabolism. For example, acetaldehyde. Ethanol जो है, ethanol it is a CNS depressant. For example, ethanol it is a CNS depressant. When it changes to the acetaldehyde, then it is ready for excretion. It's called as metabolism. The change of chemical structure from one form to the other form is called as metabolism. इसके जो example है ethanol. Ethanol जो है ये CNS depressant है. When its structure change to the acetaldehyde, then it is ready for excretion. Next जो है excretion. Excretion, it is the passage out of absorbed drug. Passage out of absorbed drug. Excretion को हम किस तरह डिफाइन कर सकते हैं? Passage out of absorbed drug. It's called as excretion. Next जो है about the what is the difference between drug and medicine and branches of pharmacology. First of all, pharmacology. Branches of pharmacology. Unit number first है branches of pharmacology. First of all, pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics, it is the branch of pharmacology in which we deal with the study of distribution, metabolism, excretion of drug. Pharmacokinetics means what the body does to the drug. What the body does to the pharmacokinetics. What the body does to the drug is called pharmacokinetics. This is the branch of pharmacology in which we deal with studies about absorption, distribution, function, excretion of the drug. It's called as pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics means what the body does to the drug. It is absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. किस तरह absorption होगी वो हम already discuss कर चुके हैं. The transfer of drug from the site of administration, the bloodstream, called as absorption. Distribution after and metabolism, change of chemical structure from one form to another form is called metabolism, and excretion, passage out of the absorbed drug is called as excretion. Second branch, pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics, it is the branch of pharmacology in which we study about the mechanism of drug. Pharmacodynamic means what the drug does to the body. What the drug does to the body. What the drug does to the body. Pharmacokinetics में हम जो है ना what the body does to the drug means absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion. Pharmacodynamics जो है it is a branch of basic medical science in which we study about the drug action. in which we study about the drug action. This is called pharmacodynamic. Pharmacodynamic, how the drug acts and body, means drug acting physically, drug acting chemically, drug acting physically, drug acting physico-chemically, acting chemically, drug acting on receptor side, acting on receptor sites, drug inhibiting on enzyme system, drug stimulating or inhibiting enzyme system. Drug acting physically and drug acting chemically, drug acting chemically, and acting on receptor sites, or drug inhibiting the enzyme system. How the drug acting is physical. Physical means drug acting on surface of cell or on surface of tissue due to their physical properties. Drug acting physical means drug will act on the surface of cell. Drug acting physically. Drug act on surface of cell. Drug acting on surface of cell or on the surface of tissue, or on the surface of tissue due to their physical property. Physical property. The physical property of drugs are absorption, physical property, of drug, they are absorption, surface tension, formation of protective layer, और एब्जॉर्प्शन का एग्जांपल जो है कोलिन जो है ये एक्ट इज एंटीडायरियल, इट्स एक्ट ड्यू टू इट्स फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज एब्जॉर्प्शन. एग्जांपल ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन इज कोलिन जो है ये एंटीडायरियल प्रॉपर्टी है उसकी, एंटीडायरियल, इट एक्ट इज एंटीडायरियल. It acts due to its physical property, that is absorption. It absorbs the toxin in cases in GIT, which are the cause of diarrhea. It acts absorbs the toxin in cases. Choline जो है, it absorbs the toxin in cases in GIT, which are the cause of diarrhea. which are the cause of diarrhea. So choline act as an adsorbent. This is acting physically or by physical means. Drug acting physically means a drug act on surface of cell or on the surface of tissue due to their physical property. Physical property of drugs जो है, for example choline, ये act as a anti-diarrheal. Physical property में हमारे पास जो है ना adsorption है, formation of protective layer. First जो है adsorption anti-diarrheal. choline जो है ये act as a anti-diarrheal. It adsorbs the toxins in GIT, which are the cause of diarrhea. So this is the physical property of the choline. Next जो है example number